Students, imagine having the power to create something truly your own, something that reflects your personality and caters to your specific needs. Ever thought of building your own computer? It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's an incredibly rewarding experience. It's not rocket science. The process is surprisingly straightforward once you get the hang of it. Think of it like making your own Maggi, just the way you want. You get to control every ingredient, ensuring the perfect flavor profile. You get to pick every part, carefully selecting components that match your requirements and budget, so your PC fits your needs. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or a hardcore gamer. College work, movies, even gaming, you can tailor your PC to excel at everything you do. All this without burning a hole in your pocket. Building your own PC can be surprisingly cost-effective. Unlike laptops, which are fixed and often difficult to upgrade, a custom PC lets you upgrade as you go. This means you can keep your system current for years to come. Start basic, with the essential components, add better parts later, as your needs evolve and your budget allows. It's a long-term investment in your productivity and entertainment, and way more satisfying than buying off the shelf. There's a unique sense of pride that comes with knowing you built your machine from the ground up. The first time you power it on and see those lights flicker to life, the sense of achievement is next level. It's a feeling you won't soon forget. You'll actually understand what CPU and RAM do, how they interact, not just memorize them for exams. You'll gain a practical understanding of computer hardware. This tech know-how looks great on your CV, showcasing your problem-solving abilities and technical aptitude, and helps you fix your own machine, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Plus, it's cheaper. You get more bang for your buck. For the same money as a basic pre-built, which often comes with compromises, you can build something much more powerful, optimized for your specific needs. Ready to become your own brand, a master of your digital domain? Let's build a beast of a PC, a machine that can handle anything you throw at it. And we'll do it for under 40,000 rupees, proving that power doesn't have to break the bank. Chalo, shuru karain. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Alright, let's dive into the exciting part. Shopping for components. Building a PC requires careful planning, and it all starts with knowing exactly what you need. First up, the heart of your system, the CPU. For a budget-friendly yet capable option, I recommend the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Alternatively, the Intel Core i3 12100F is another excellent choice in the same price range. Both of these processors offer fantastic performance for the price, making them ideal for budget-conscious builds. They're powerful enough to handle most modern games and applications with ease. Next, we need a motherboard to house our CPU and other components. It's crucial to choose a motherboard that's compatible with your CPU. If you're going with the Ryzen 5 5500, you'll need an AM4 socket motherboard. And for the Intel Core i3 12100F, you'll need one with an LGA 1700 socket. Always double-check the product description to ensure compatibility between your CPU and motherboard. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Moving on to RAM, 16 GB is the sweet spot for modern gaming and multitasking. I recommend getting two 8 GB sticks of DDR4 RAM with a speed of 3200 MHz. Running your RAM in dual-channel mode will significantly improve performance, making your system feel snappier and more responsive, especially when multitasking. For storage, a 500 GB NVMe SSD is the way to go. They offer blazing fast speeds at an affordable price point. With an NVMe SSD, your PC will boot up in a matter of seconds, and your applications will load almost instantly. Now let's talk about the power supply. This is one area where you definitely don't want to cut corners. I recommend getting a reliable 550 WPSU with an 80+ bronze certification. This ensures that your power supply is efficient and can handle the demands of your system. Stick to reputable brands like Corsair or Cooler Master for peace of mind. They're known for their quality and reliability. If you're on a tight budget, skip the fancy RGB lighting and focus on getting the best performance possible. You can always add the bling later. These core components are the foundation of your gaming PC. By making smart choices, you'll end up with a machine that's not only fast, but also enjoyable to use. It will be reliable for years to come, and even somewhat future-proof, allowing you to upgrade other components down the line. Before you start buying, create a detailed checklist to ensure you don't forget anything. It's easy to overlook small but essential items. Now that we know what we need, let's go hunt for the best deals and start building. Want to save big? Use online price comparison sites. They scan Amazon, MD Computers, and more to find the lowest prices. Watch for sales like the Amazon Great Indian Festival or Flipkart's Big Billion Days. Prices can drop a lot. Sign up for retailer newsletters for alerts on flash deals. Look for CPU motherboard bundles. They're cheaper and guarantee compatibility. Consider the used market for parts like graphics cards. Just buy from trusted sellers and check the part before paying. With smart shopping, you can stretch your budget much further. Every rupee saved means more power for your PC. Let's get the best bang for your buck. The parts are here. The moment we've been waiting for. All the components for our dream machine ready to be unleashed. It's time to unbox everything and lay it all out. First things first, let's set up a clean, well-lit workspace. This is crucial to avoid any accidental damage or frustration. Place your motherboard gently on its anti-static box. This will protect it from any stray electrical charges. Now for the brains of the operation, the CPU. Carefully remove it from its packaging. Install the CPU, match the triangles on the CPU and the socket. This ensures proper alignment. Gently drop it in, making sure it sits flush. Then, lock it down with the retention arm. You should feel a secure click. Next up, RAM. Slot in your RAM, line up the notch on the RAM stick with the notch on the motherboard slot. Apply even pressure on both ends of the RAM stick until it clicks into place. You'll hear a satisfying snap when it's properly seated. Time to get the case ready. Open your PC case and remove both side panels. This will give you plenty of room to work. Before mounting the motherboard, screw in the standoffs into the case. These little guys prevent the motherboard from short-circuiting. Now, carefully align the motherboard with the standoffs and gently mount the motherboard into the case. Let's get some power in here. Install the power supply. Slide it into its designated spot in the case. Once it's in place, secure it with 4 screws. Make sure it's snug and won't move around. Now for the cables. Plug in the big 24-pin power connector to the motherboard. And don't forget the smaller CPU power cables from the PSU to the motherboard. These are essential for powering the processor. Time for storage. Connect your SSD to the motherboard and the power supply. Now comes the tricky part, the front panel cables. These are for the power button, USB ports, and audio jacks. The labels can be tiny and hard to read, so use your phone's flashlight to read tiny labels on the motherboard. Before closing the case, double-check all connections. Make sure everything is securely plugged in. Take it slow, don't rush, and carefully follow the manuals. If you're unsure about something, consult the documentation. You'll be fine. With everything connected, you're almost ready to power up and see your creation come to life. Moment of truth. Plug in your PC monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Hit the power button. If it boots, congrats. You built your own PC. Install Windows using a USB drive, then download drivers from your hardware manufacturer's websites. Now your PC is ready for everything. Assignments, online classes, movies, and even gaming. Fast SSD means no lag and you can upgrade anytime. Building your own PC teaches you valuable skills and saves money. Don't worry if you make mistakes. YouTube has tons of guides. Enjoy your new machine. You earned it. Your future self will thank you.